In Metairie, where warm temperatures and high humidity are part of daily life for much of the year, proper home ventilation isn't just a comfort feature, it's essential. From reducing indoor moisture to improving air quality, the way your home breathes directly impacts your family's comfort and well-being. One increasingly popular solution for homeowners in Metairie is the installation of slider windows. Sleek, functional, and energy efficient, slider windows offer practical advantages that make them especially well-suited for Louisiana's climate. Designed for maximum airflow, slider windows, also known as gliding windows, operate horizontally along a track. Unlike traditional single-hung or double-hung windows that open only halfway vertically, slider windows can open wide from side to side. This design allows for a larger opening area, which significantly improves airflow throughout the room. In Metairie's humid subtropical climate, increasing natural ventilation helps reduce stuffiness and keeps indoor air circulating. Whether you're enjoying a mild spring morning or trying to cool down your home in the evening, slider windows allow fresh air to flow freely inside while pushing stale air out. Perfect for cross ventilation. One of the most effective ways to cool a home naturally is through cross ventilation, positioning open windows on opposite sides of a room or house to create a steady breeze. Slider windows are ideal for this because they are easy to open partially or fully, giving homeowners precise control over airflow. In many Metairie homes, especially ranch-style or single-story properties, wide horizontal window openings are common. Slider windows fit seamlessly into these spaces, making it simple to take advantage of cross breezes. With proper placement, you can reduce reliance on air conditioning during milder months, which may also help lower energy bills. Easy operation for everyday use. Ventilation only works when windows are used consistently. Slider windows are designed with convenience in mind. Their smooth gliding mechanism makes them easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach areas such as above kitchen counters or behind furniture. Because they don't require lifting or cranking, slider windows are often preferred by homeowners seeking low-maintenance solutions. When a window is simple to operate, it's more likely to be used regularly, leading to better daily airflow and a fresher indoor environment. Improved indoor air quality. Metairie's high humidity can create conditions where mold and mildew thrive, particularly in poorly ventilated homes. By increasing airflow, slider windows help reduce excess indoor moisture. This consistent air exchange can limit condensation buildup and decrease the risk of dampness-related issues. Additionally, bringing in fresh outdoor air helps dilute indoor pollutants such as cooking odors, cleaning chemicals, and allergens. For families focused on maintaining a healthy living space, improved ventilation can make a noticeable difference in comfort and air quality. Energy efficiency and modern ceiling. Today's slider windows are engineered with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality frames, insulated glass, and tight weather stripping help prevent unwanted drafts when the windows are closed. This is especially important in Metairie, where summer heat can quickly raise indoor temperatures. When you want ventilation, you can open the windows strategically. When you need to keep cool air inside, modern slider windows seal securely to maintain your home's comfort. This balance between airflow and insulation makes them a smart long-term investment. Unobstructed views and natural light. Ventilation isn't the only benefit. Slider windows typically feature large panes of glass with minimal framing, allowing more natural light into your home. Increased daylight can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day and create a brighter, more inviting interior. The wide glass panels also provide clear outdoor views, enhancing the sense of openness in living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. In neighborhoods across Metairie, where outdoor greenery and landscaped yards are common, slider windows help homeowners enjoy the scenery while maintaining practical functionality. A smart choice for Metairie homes. For homeowners in Metairie looking to improve comfort, reduce humidity, and promote healthier indoor air, slider windows offer an effective and attractive solution. Their wide openings, ease of use, and modern energy performance make them particularly well suited for the region's warm, humid climate. By enhancing natural airflow and supporting better indoor air quality, slider windows do more than update the look of your home. They create a fresher, more comfortable living environment year-round.